Introducing the 2023 Lexus IS500 F-Sport Performance, a sedan that proudly carries the torch for its naturally aspirated V8 engines, even when others have moved on. Beneath the hood lies a formidable 5.0-liter V8, emitting a distinctive burr as it roars to life. With a commanding output of 472 horsepower and 395 pounds-to-foot of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, the power flows exclusively to the rear wheels. Just like its luxury sedan peers, the IS500 boasts various driving modes including Eco, Normal, Sport S, Sport S Plus, and Custom. While the upshifts from the 8-speed automatic are swift, a brief hesitation accompanies each gear change. This delay is even more pronounced during downshifts, as the transmission lingers between gears, hampering the otherwise smooth transition. Regrettably, regardless of the chosen drive mode or whether the steering wheel-mounted pedal shifters are utilized, the IS500 demonstrates a reluctance to downshift promptly. This absence of urgency diminishes the vehicle's sporty character, as the satisfying surge of the potent V8's power is absent during deceleration. The distinctive V8 growl that usually accompanies downshifting is also notably absent. The engine produces a resounding, throaty note beyond 3,000 revolutions per minute, creating an impressive auditory experience. However, beneath 3,000 revolutions per minute, the engine almost falls into silence. The engine's behavior becomes a matter of extremes depending on its position relative to the 3,000 revolutions per minute mark. Interestingly, driving modes have no influence on this characteristic either. In terms of fuel efficiency, the official ratings align with the expectations for a sedan of this potency. In urban settings, the IS500 achieves a rating of 17 miles per gallon, equivalent to 14.1 liters per 100 kilometers, while on the highway, it showcases commendable figures of 25 miles per gallon, equivalent to 9.3 liters per 100 kilometers. Entering its 9th year of production, the current Lexus carries forward its legacy in more ways than one, extending beyond the engine bay. Inside, the passage of nearly a decade is evident in various aspects. The persistently perplexing Lexus touchpad persists, the once ubiquitous cruise control handle remains mounted on the steering wheel, and remarkably, a dash-mounted CD player continues its presence. Front space proves more than adequate for most adults, with 38.2 inches, equivalent to 970 millimeters, of headroom and 44.8 inches, equivalent to 1,138 millimeters, of legroom. In the rear, space becomes a tad cozier, offering 36.9 inches, equivalent to 935 millimeters, of headroom and 32.2 inches, equivalent to 818 millimeters, of legroom. However, these measurements belie the reality, as there's a practicality to the space that exceeds the numbers. We comfortably accommodated 4 adults in the IS500, with their comfort well preserved. The front seats provide a delightful experience, boasting new luxe material that may not be genuine leather but compensates with its supple, velvety, and cozy feel. The vivid red interior, featured in our test model, invigorates the cabin and imparts a touch of style to an arguably aged design. On the technological forefront, the IS500 offers the comprehensive suite expected from its class. Features include dual-zone automatic climate control, a heated steering wheel, an electrically adjustable tilt telescopic steering wheel, a moon roof, rain-sensing wipers, a 10.3-inch infotainment display, and power-operated, heated, and ventilated front seats. Alongside its unique V8 offering in this category, the 2023 Lexus IS500 F-Sport Performance boasts another substantial advantage: its price. Commencing at $59,420, which includes destination fees, the IS500's price point positions it slightly above the less potent BMW M340i and the Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG. Even with the upgraded premium package factored in, which brings the tested price to $63,920, or $76,655 Canadian dollars, it remains considerably more affordable than the equivalently powerful BMW M3. This concludes my presentation on the Lexus IS500 F-Sport. If you found this video informative, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Take care, and until next time, goodbye.